So today is 5th of December 2020 and a lovely morning, a lovely foggy morning. Now sun is going to come a little bit here and let's see if the sun comes, then I will show you the places of Danapur. I'm planning to visit St. Luke Church today and I hope that a church which is a very historical church will help you in getting to know how Danapur was and is after approximately 200 years. And historically background, this church is very old, approximately 200 years old church. It's called St. Luke Church. The architecture I will show you along with the few of the videos and try to let you know the few history of this Danapur St. Luke Church. And it's a grand structure. Whenever I see it, I really think how it looked when the British time was there, and it's very glorious and very beautiful church, and the architecture is too good. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. I hope you will enjoy this. Before I left for church, Siddharth sir visited my place and we chatted about the cameras and the photography. Then I thought to do some unboxing before leaving for the church. Here's my unboxing. Hey guys, before going to St. Luke Church, let me unbox the item which has come. This is, let me see from my Amazon account what has come. This is SP Collection Vinyl Baby onboard car sticker. So as my baby is there, so when I will travel with my baby, I'll put this sticker. So let me unbox it, open it, and too much of tapes they have utilized, so I don't know from where to start and where to end. Let me start from here. So they have delivered this. And I don't know what kind of stickers they are. They are vinyl stickers. So permanently they will be put in the car, which is not advisable because whenever the baby is there sitting, only then we should put the stickers. So I don't know what to use, but I have another stickers. So I'll try to use this. And this is waterproof vinyl. So outside it can be stick. So that's it guys. Two has come. Baby on board. If it is for parents who have a car, they should always use the stickers, because then the other vehicles can come to know that baby inside. They actually try to maintain distance, hopefully. So that's it. So I'll go to the St. Luke Church now. This is Danapur Cantonment's St. Luke Church. Now we are entering St. Luke Church of Danapur Cantonment. You can see like this. This is the room where bell rings, and here we are entering. You can see the British grand structure. Welcome to St. Luke Church. I'm mesmerized by looking into the architecture of St. Luke Church. It is so grand that I am eager to know the history of this church. So let's go inside the church and see. Just before we go inside, let's see the glimpses of the surroundings of the church. This church is built in 1827 as per the information, and let me see how it goes. See, here it is written St. Luke Church Tower designed by E.W.A.D. Fabric, Surgeon Bengal Army, and constructed by in 1862. And if you say something is written here also. The construction started in 1827 and finished in 1830. Wow, it's so grand. Reverend Henry Frank Fulford William served as a chaplain in Bengal from 1913 until 1935 and was a chaplain at St. Luke Church for part of his tenure. The construction of this church was done under the supervision of Captain Thompson. This was built in 1827. See the grand church from inside. It's too big and too amazing. And this is a wooden. If you see this, the wooden chairs is as long back as I think 100 years old. You can see this. Inside the church, there are many tablets which were erected in the memories of the soldiers and the officers, and how they died and when they died, it is mentioned there. So the memories of the soldiers and the officers are still there in the church. You can see when you come and visit inside the church. It is mentioned that John Johnston Mackay fell in the retreat from Kabul, and they mentioned Kabul as Cabul in the month of January 1842. So this tablet was erected by his brother officers as a mark of their esteem and regard. You can see all the church inside. ये कैसे यूज होता था?
ये बैप्टिज्म टेप होता है, इन्फेंट बैप्टिज्म होता है बच्चे का जो जन्म होने के बाद।
अच्छा, वो
होली वाटर का
एक कैथोलिक चर्च है ना?
अभी तो सिएना के अंदर है सर, कैथोलिक के वाला सेंस में।
In one of the more tablet, it was written that one Lieutenant Colonel J. Jervis, he vacated the command at Dinapur on 7th July 1849 and died at sea near Aden on board the Oriental on 3rd September 1849. Yes. कौन सा?
राइफल रखने के लिए बनाया गया है।
ये वाला इसमें होल
जो उसको बंद रखने के लिए जगह है।
कहाँ पर? यहाँ
यहाँ पर राइफल यहाँ पर टिकेगा। इसको लॉक करते हैं, ये लॉक सिस्टम
दिखेगी।
ये रखने के बाद फिर लोग हो जाते हैं।
The rifles were allowed inside the church. अच्छा. This was used for the baptism. हाँ क्या कहते हैं? हाँ वैसे ही करना। ये क्या चीज़ है?
ये चेयर भी उससे बना है।
चेयर भी उससे बनेगी। कौन सा? And this is 100 years old, wooden?
Wooden is from the beginning, so it is
More than 100. And this.
Usually when they build a church, they usually build a church.
And this all furniture is more than 100 years old.
Yeah.
Amazing. See the chairs, more than 100 years old, and this podium is also more than 100 years old. Well maintained by Yasi. This is also more than 100 years old. This is the backside of the church. The doors are so big. This is closes like this. ठीक है. This is chaplain's personal safe. This church was built in 1827 and was completed in the year 1830, and the dome was made where the bells are there. It was made in 1862. So the soldiers who died here, their names has been mentioned on the walls, and this is a great place of worship, and all the furnitures are very old furnitures are there, and you can see most of the time even the sepoys or the soldiers can bring their rifles and they can place inside the church on the table, and they can stand. I can show you this, and what I can really say that this is a well maintained church by the army, and I can say that this is a very historical place, and this should be preserved very much. I think we should maintain these places like anything, because these are the historical places and the material use is too good. Even now, after so many years, approximately 200 years after also, the furniture is still there and still existing and very well maintained. So I will end this vlog with few shots, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you like, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you very much.